Well, good morning everyone. How you guys doing this Sunday morning? Oh my god, this lens is filthy and it's always filthy in the morning. I don't know why. Okay, that's better. The part is like when I'm editing and I see that the lens wasn't clean, everything looks foggy and that bothers me so much. But now it's clean. So today is gonna be a great day. Yes! So here we are at church. Now, time to get everything ready and wait for people to come. I came actually early today, and it's 9:41. And my watch is locked again. I don't know why my watch locks itself. If it's attached to my wrist, I don't know. So hopefully it stops raining. It doesn't rain anymore because when I pass by the street where the car show is gonna be, there are cars already there. So hopefully it doesn't rain, because if it rains, I guess I got to close. What up? So we just finished. If you see, it's nice and sunny. Perfect. It's not raining anymore. Hopefully it doesn't rain anymore. So now time to go back home and change and go to this car show before it closes. It's 1:37, it closes at 4, so I have a few hours, but still I need to go because I want to go. I know I'm talking too fast, but I don't know why, so let's go. Okay, time to go to the mini car show. I'm bringing Snowy with me. That's a good thing. Since it's in the street, I can bring Snowy. Hopefully he doesn't be any car. Hopefully. Where's Snow? So excited. He loves going out. He just loves going out. Car show. There's many nice cars. Look at that. Aston Martin.
Oh, for sure.
Nice cars. Hold it.
Oh, is that right?
That's an oldie. Wait, Snow. That's nice.
Hey, the guys with the parking.
Come on, Snow. Snow. Come here. Wait. That's nice.
Yeah, right.
Oh my god, look at that. Formula 1 cars. Look at that. That's cool. There's so many cars here. And we are almost like half of the street. That's nice. Ooh. Where's that? Oh, that's like a golf cart. That's cool. There's a lot of people here, and a lot of dogs too. Look at that, doggies!
Alright, somebody gonna escort him?
Yeah. That's nice. Sure. There's a lot of cars here. A lot of cars. Ooh. So here, oh, Ferrari.
He probably wants to buy one.
That's cool.
Look at that, they're taking one out.
It's a cool Ferrari. Nice car. That was a nice car. And this is a very old car, very long. Looks like a boat. Eldorado. It's really cool. Oh, here's a doggy.
A roll of Ferraris.
Another one. Pretty nice cars. Let's keep walking. There's way more to see. Oh, this all this here. Oh, that's no. Snowman. See it? The snowman doesn't want to see it. He's just like, Snowy, see it? No, luck. He's excited, so many things around.
That green packet right there. Yep. Smart. Took a long way to explain it, but it's brilliant.
Okay, I'm dogless now, so tend to walk more. Snowy went back with my parents because it's too far to walk with him where I was parking. He couldn't handle to walk too much. He was tired already. So let's go back.
I see all kinds of neat accessories on this car. I think the 1960s were really better looking than
Nice.
the 59s. 59s were pretty wild and fancy, but the 60s.
Look at that.
It's really one of the best looking Chevrolets ever built. Oddly enough, it's only, I think, 80% body shell only comes here.
Ooh, it's warm. Whoa. Look at that. Here, until home. I'm getting hungry. And Snowy is gone, so where did I park? I forgot. I always forget where did I park. Oh. That is the nice thing about this town. It has like different stuff. They have this car show, they have other shows, which is nice. All the things now. I think I see my car. Hopefully it's my car. Oh. So this vlog is gonna go long, I think. And this lens is still taking. Why do I always have to put my fingers on the lens? I don't know. Fingerprints all over. The problem is that when I'm editing the vlog, the fingerprints appear there, and I hate it. So, let's go. Oh, the car that should be in this car show, it should be a Tesla. It was not Teslas at all. There was only one that says it was for sale. It was like 136,000, but still, you should have more Teslas. Even in the car show, you don't see Teslas there. Those cars are the best cars right now. I don't know why they're not there. I love Teslas. If I could, I would buy one, but I can't. It's too pricey. But one day, I will have a Tesla. Even if it's in 2041. No. 2070 maybe. If you see, there's a Tesla there. Come on, show yourself. I love Teslas. I wish I could ride one of those. I don't know if you see it, it's right there. Oh, oldie. Oops, I was focusing myself on the car. I didn't know I was crossing a street. Oops. I think I see my car. Right there. You see it? Behind this big RV. Nice. I found my car. You know, I always lose my car. I always forget where to park my car, especially when I go to Six Flags. I always lose my car. I always forget to take a picture of the location I parked my car. Even though Waze, the app, tells me where to park my car. Yeah, I forget about that. So, I don't know why I keep talking. I cannot stop talking. So, yeah. Oh, so I need to go back to church because my dad forgot his iPad there. We cannot leave an iPad there. Especially because he uses the iPad, so I'm gonna go get it. And yeah, so, let's go. So, this is what's happening right now. Right now, suddenly, I begin to throw some things away, like garbage in my bedroom, and suddenly I begin to fix everything. You know, when you start putting your bedroom, organizing it, and then you like disorganize everything because you want to fix everything. That's what I'm doing right now. Just because I was throwing away some stuff, I began throwing more stuff away, and I began cleaning my bedroom at 10:20 p.m. which I should have done it earlier, but I don't know what I'm doing it now. So the good thing, tomorrow I'm gonna start regular time. I'm not gonna start early. Nah. Okay. So I just finished cleaning my room. I hate when this happens to me. I start cleaning it and then I have to clean everything. And it's almost 11 and I haven't edited the blog from yesterday. I need to do it. I need to do it. Let's do it. So I just finished editing the blog, then I'm gonna upload it and then I'm done. And I'm gonna watch some TV before going to sleep because I'm not sleepy at all. So don't forget to give me thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Check the blog from yesterday and the previous vlog right here. So see you tomorrow and you see me tomorrow as well. It's 2 6 out. Good night.